Missing just a few key concepts can cost you the entire PCEP TM certification, and most beginners don't even realize where they're going wrong. If you're preparing for the PCEP TM Certified Entry-Level Python Programmer exam, or just starting your Python journey, this video is for you. In the next few minutes, you'll work through real exam-style questions, understand how Python actually works, and avoid the traps that cause most candidates to fail. The PCEP certification tests your knowledge of core concepts like variables, data types, operators, and control flow, and the best way to master them is through practice. So let's jump right in. Question 1. What will be the output of the following Python code? Options: A. True, B. False, C. Error, D. None. Pause the video and think about the correct answer. The correct answer is B. False. Explanation: in Python, x is an integer and y is a string. Even though they look similar, Python compares both value and data type, so the result is false. Question 2. What is the output of this code? Options: A. 3, B. 1, C. 0, D. 10. Pause for 5 seconds. Think about it. The correct answer is B. 1. Explanation: the percent operator returns the remainder after division. 10 divided by 3 gives remainder 1. Question 3. What will this code print? Options: A, B, C, error, D, none. Pause the video and choose the best answer. The correct answer is A. Explanation: since 7 is greater than 5, the condition is true, so Python executes the first block. Question 4. What is the output of this code? Options: A, 1, B, 2, C, 3, D, error. Take a few seconds to think about this one. The correct answer is B, 2. Explanation: Python uses zero-based indexing, so index 1 refers to the second element. If you want more real PCEP exam questions like these, platforms like Pass4Success provide structured practice tests that closely match the actual exam pattern. Question 5. What will this code output? Options: A. Error, B. None, C. Func, D. 5. Pause for 5 seconds. Think about the best answer. The correct answer is D. 5. Explanation: the function returns 5, and print displays that returned value. Question 6. What is the output? Options: A. None, B. Error, C. True, D. False. Pause for 5 seconds. Think about the best answer. The correct answer is D. False. Explanation: the operator returns true only if both conditions are true. Question 7. What will happen here? Options: A. 15, B. 105, C. Error, D. 15. Pause for 5 seconds. Think about it. The correct answer is A. 15. Explanation: the string 10 is converted into an integer, so the result is 10 plus 5 as 15. If you're serious about passing the PCEP TM certification, consistent practice is key. In upcoming videos, we'll cover more PCEP certified entry-level Python programmer exam topics, including loops, strings, and error handling, so make sure you stay tuned. And if you want full-length practice exams and real exam-level questions, visit Pass4Success. The link is in the description. Don't just watch, practice, apply, and pass your certification.